everyone, welcome back to another Smart Money Sundays. Now apologies for last week, I did miss a week. I've been traveling, so I've been on the go, so apologies for that. But we're back for a new episode. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. So as always, let's get started with the DXY. So the DXY has basically been stagnant, okay? We've been ranging. Now keep in mind, Monday and Tuesday is going to be extremely volatile, majority on Tuesday, mainly because we're coming into the end of the month and we're going to see some end of month candle closure, which means volatility in the market, right? I.e. opportunities for us to make money. So first thing first, right? Prices in a demand has tapped into a demand level 310, right? Which is sort of a accumulation pattern, which I've made a video about. If you haven't already, go check that out. Which is where price likes to reaccumulate at a certain level. It will have these sort of three levels where it bounces from and then gives an impulsive push from. Okay, so this is bullish. I am bullish on the dollar. Okay, on the higher time frame. However, on the low time frame, we've been pretty stagnant. Okay, which something I'll cover on EU in particular. But basically, after we saw that third drive, we saw an expansion. Right, price has broken structure. So what I'm looking at for now is I'm anticipating price to actually sort of range come into Monday. I want to see a deeper pullback on the dollar tomorrow, potentially a swipe of this low and a range occur within the 106 level, okay, and then a break above. This is where I'll be looking to long come into maybe Monday New York session or Tuesday London session, because I'm anticipating an expansion to at least 107,400 minimum. Okay, mainly because we have liquidity here to target and we have the monthly candle closures coming up. So I'm expecting a expansion before the month end. And if that is to occur, I need to see something like this. I want to see a rate of the low, accumulation, right, a range, and then a break above that range will get me long, and then absolutely long this fucker, because I will be anticipating expansion to the upside. Okay, so bullish on the dollar, but want to see a deeper pullback come into Monday. All right, keep that in mind. Monday and Tuesday are very, very crucial days, right, for the new trading week. Now let's move over to EU. Now EU has been a bit of a flip flop. Okay, first start of the week, I was basically short from this level at the start of the week. Price expanded and then we saw a reversal occur, and then we end up taking profit and then flipping bullish on Friday, which caught this move to the upside, which was nice, 1 to 3. Okay, so now in terms of what I'm anticipating, let me go on a cleaner chart. 1 second. Here we are. So if I go on a cleaner chart here, right? So what I'm basically expecting, right? So that move has already played, but as I'm anticipating that sort of pullback on the dollar coming to Monday, I want to see a push potentially into 106.3, just because we have a large gap here to fill. And if price does give momentum, I think it will squeeze up to 106 and then likely look for some bearish price action to occur here to absolutely short this fucker down. Okay, because again, if we do see that expansion on the dollar come into Tuesday, then this can absolutely push to the downside aggressively, and this is where I'll be looking for my targets, right? First target 105 and the second target 104.4. okay, if that makes sense. But yeah, so that's basically the game plan come into EU. I want to see a break above that high into fill into this gap, and from this gap is where I'll be basically looking to short. All right, again, time is very, very important. So Monday and Tuesday is crucial for this to occur. Now, similar scenario on GU. Again, I'll only be interested in shorts if we come above this level, right? Potentially even this high. If we see stagnant price action right above this liquidation level, and I see price started to range, right, then I'll be looking for a break of that range to short this fucker down. My main target is 1.20. okay, that is where I'll be looking to short GBP only if it comes into these levels. Okay, again, I want to see it squeeze in the opposite direction, right, to manipulate the other side of the market before the real move is made, right? Because that's just how the market likes to move. Now USD CHF. Now USD CHF has been pretty. It's been pretty stagnant, right? Just like the other dollar pairs. But prices basically come into this level, right? Respected it on the lower time frame and then saw a push up. But I'm still bullish, okay? But the only way for me to actually long this would actually be again retracement into this level, a break above 9.0, and then I'll be looking for retracements into this level to ride this puppy up into 0.93, okay, into this level, right? Because this is an unfulfilled level that price does need to come and fulfill. And if you also sort of look on the high time frame, on the daily, we sort of have this left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder sort of playing out. So if it does give this sort of plan, I will absolutely long, given that we break above 0.908. Okay, only then will I be looking to long this. But yeah, that's USD CHF. Now let's move over to BTC. Now BTC. So if you guys recall, right, if I made a video about this about a year ago on BTC, where my objective has always been the 40k level for price to potentially come into this level. I made this video quite a while ago when price was at the 15k level on YouTube, so I recommend you go check that out. But I was always anticipating price to come up to this level, okay, which is one of the reasons why I did buy some crypto at these lows. But now price has basically come to our level. I will be looking to short from these levels, okay, but that hasn't been achieved yet. So if I go on the lower time frame, from what I'm expecting this week, okay, I'm playing the channel. So what I want to see in terms of me being involved in BTC is I want to see price push above, potentially come into Monday, and then again a clean deviation, acceptance below, okay, will get me short, okay, back into the 29k 30k region before me getting bullish again, back into the potential 37 38k level. Because remember, this objective has still not been reached just as of yet. So I do this is basically what I'm anticipating coming to the end of the month. Okay, so again, coming to Monday, time is very, very crucial. I will be looking for a scenario like this to come into play. Now let's go over to gold. Okay, so now gold. So gold, if you recall from the last one when he sent this, I was expecting a pullback on gold, but given this current fundamental situation we're in with the Palestine situation, when there's a lot of, for those that don't already know, when there's a lot of uncertainty in the market, investors like to move their money into gold, and that's why gold has been absolutely ripping. So I wasn't able to get that pullback, right, which I was looking for, okay? So what I will be doing is I'll be basically looking to play the trend, okay? Because I don't think the way gold is pushing, I don't think we're going to get a deeper retracement. So if I go on a cleaner chart, right, let me just show you, right, there's an objective that I potentially see coming in to get met within the new month, basically. In November, I think we're going to expand into the $2,000 region and potentially even push a little higher, okay? So for that reason, I'm much more comfortable trading with the trend, because when gold wants to move, it will absolutely rip. So in terms of what I'm looking at on the lower time frames, for me to get interested in longs, again, time is crucial. I want to see price basically come into Monday, start pulling back, okay? If we see a pullback come into Monday, into the below the 50% level, come into Tuesday, I will absolutely long, okay, into the $2,000 region. Now, however, if come into Monday and we see an extended push to the upside, okay, then I'll be looking for some distribution price action, okay? I'll be looking for stagnant price action at these levels to absolutely short price down into the $1,900 region. Now again, going against the trend with gold is dangerous, but I need a lot more confirmation for me to get short. But for now, I'm more favoring the longs. But that's me done. Now, if you guys enjoy this video, please do like and subscribe. It does help me keep posting these videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.